In the coming week, the Senate is expected to vote on a Republican plan to repeal and replace portions of Obamacare. The bill, some are calling Trump Care, is losing traction 2 days after it was released. 5 Republicans say they will not vote for it without significant revisions. Republicans can afford to only lose 2 votes. Today, President Trump tweeted out, "I cannot imagine that these very fine Republican senators would allow the American people to suffer a broken Obamacare any longer." Errol Barnett has the latest from the White House.
The American people are calling out for relief, and my administration is determined to provide it.
In his weekly address, President Trump continued to push his health care plan.
We are working with Congress to get a bill to my desk so we can rescue Americans from this catastrophe.
This bill that's currently in front of the United States Senate, not the answer.
But on Friday, Nevada's Dean Heller became the 5th Republican senator to voice his opposition. He joined Senators Rand Paul, Ted Cruz, Mike Lee, and Ron Johnson in opposing the bill unless changes are made. The 142-page legislation cuts Obamacare's insurance mandates, slashes new taxes on the wealthy, and rolls back the expansion of Medicaid. But it keeps tax credits to help lower-income Americans buy insurance.
I just heard today for the first time that Obama knew about Russia a long time before the election.
In a new interview this weekend, Mr. Trump also blames former President Obama for not stopping Russian interference in the 2016 election.
If he had the information, why didn't he do something about it? He should have done something about it. But you don't read that. It's quite sad.
Now, President Trump may soon get a chance to take up the issue of election interference with Russian President Vladimir Putin in person. The two could meet privately on the sidelines of the G20 summit when it takes place in Germany early next month. Rena?
Errol, thank you.